before you say hello to mga kaibigan natin from media, nais ko lang paghitin that in 2019 Commissioner's Cup, San Miguel beat TNT in the finals 4-2. Don, ang team mo nun, TNT. Ano ba nangyari? At yung transition mo going to San Miguel, how have you embraced this new role?
It's hard, but kasi nung 2019, nasa Tokyo Tex ako kalaban San Miguel, and San Miguel beat us. Now, nasa San Miguel naman ako. Sana San Miguel ulit ang manalo. Well, but you know, Tokyo Tex is a great organization, well coached, and great player. So I think it's going to be a good series. And sana abutin lang ng 4 games, 4-0 San Miguel. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa prediction mo, 4-0 San Miguel. By the way, si Contraliano is one of only 4 players who averaged double figures sa semifinals. Kalahin nyo, for San Miguel, kalahin nyo, out of those 4 players, 2 of them never started. Don Trujano, tsaka si Jericho Cruz. Only 4 players averaged double figures.